Good morning guys, and welcome back to the channel. On today's video we are going to be buffing again, and this time we're going to try to remove the leftovers. So as you guys know, I buffed this Toyota Camry that we picked up for $300. It had a lot of oxidation on it and we made it look pretty dang mint, but it's been about 3 weeks. We still haven't sold the car. Actually, nobody came to look at the car, but I noticed that the paint is going back to looking like crap and oxidized, and it's so weird because it looked pretty dang good prior to this after buffing. And again, the whole hood, the whole roof is just getting all oxidized once again, and that carries over to the trunk as well. And I'm not sure how well the GoPro is gonna pick this up, but in person you can definitely see how this is deteriorating. So we made a quick trip to Harbor Freights this morning and we picked up a few goodies here. We picked up the BAUER Polisher. This is the same one we used last time. This one, last time we used my buddy's. I liked it. There's a sale on it for $60, so we picked it up. Again, we're gonna be running the coarse pad first, hit it up with the medium. That's the only difference from last time. We're gonna hit it up with the medium. I also picked up a few other goodies that were on sale. I figured we're definitely gonna need them for another project that we're working on that's over there. But right now, what I'm gonna do, I already washed the car. I'm gonna hit it right now with the rubbing compound from Turtle Wax with the coarse pad again. I'm gonna follow it up with the medium pad today. It's not as hot as last time, so hopefully that rubbing compound won't be drying out on us. It's about 70 degrees right now. It is a little sunny right now, but still a lot better conditions than last time. So I'm gonna get started here and we'll see if we can transform this, which I'm sure we can, but the question is, will it last, or is it gonna reoxidize again? So the setup again, dual action polisher with the coarse pad with the rubbing compound. And then we'll hit up with the medium pad and the rubbing compound. We'll see how that works. If we want to fine tune it, we can still use the medium pad and a paint cleaner. This is pretty much a very light polish, so that might get rid of some of the finer swirls. We're not looking for perfection. Again, the main thing is let's try to get this oxidation not to come back. So I've always been using a regular orbital buffer, and after using this one, guys, I'm very impressed at the results. And you know, I had to pick one up, so it was $60 with a red tag sale at Harbor Freights. As you guys can see, everything you need is here. You just screw on the handle, put your pad onto the Velcro here, and you're ready to go. So this is going to be a very, very easy setup here. And that's it, guys. We are ready to start buffing. It's pretty loud. Probably in a little bit I'll get some headphones or earplugs. Go from there. And I'll tell you guys once again, the finish looks fantastic. Everything on this side looks like poop. It's just weird that it comes back. Again, it's gonna be hard for you guys probably to see, but this finish looks pretty good. Just a lot of swirls, but the oxidation is removed. I don't know if you guys can tell, but the clarity, maybe look at the sun. oxidized, everything nice and clean. Alright, I finished the trunk with the compound and the coarse pad, and I'm telling you, it already looks like a night and day difference. Now I am running low on rubbing compound, so I'm just gonna go with the polisher and the medium cut. We'll fine detail it, we'll run it with high RPM, and we'll see how it finishes off. But I'm really happy. Again, like, if it was looking like this and staying like this, there's no issues. So let's see if we can make this work. Right here looks fantastic compared to this side. The faded side right here. The clear side. I don't know if it's just the oils that are making everything look better and kind of hiding the oxidation, or if I'm actually removing the oxidation. Alright guys, we are all done. It's been about all day to do this process. We pretty much compounded it with the coarse pad, then we polished it with the medium pad, then we actually applied a polish on it, which is a polish dedicated to make it a wet coat, and then we used a carnauba wax to finish this off. So I'm pretty much finished with the top surfaces, as you guys can see, nice and shiny. And I had a nice support team while I was doing all this, and I gotta give shout outs here. So Bullets Garage, like, subscribe for his viral video. Blue Taco 88 on Instagram, follow him for his Tacoma. And Mike, no social media. But he's getting one. He's getting one.
Address. Follow him there.
He's getting one. And yeah, the car looks pretty good right now. Nice surface. But again, we're gonna have to see if this is gonna last. Again, we had a nice surface the last time, and then it went bad after about 2-3 weeks. So I'm curious how this will last. I'm crossing my fingers this will work. If that doesn't work, guys, well, the only option here is really to just repaint this thing, which I'm gonna not touch because I'm cool with it right where it is. I don't think a ceramic coat or anything will seal this in. Again, once these waxes and these polishes, these compounds dry up, it just becomes more oxidized. But I'm happy. Hopefully this thing sells shortly while it's looking clean. We'll have to adjust the price a little bit lower, and then we'll be good to go. Anyway, guys, thanks for watching. Let me show you the products I used here. Again, the old school deep crystal system.
Wisconsin respects Illinois.
Cleaner, polish, wax. That's about
Michigan, I
it.
can fucking carry on my hip, dude.
So anyway, like the video, subscribe to the channel. Catch you guys on the next one. Peace.
I ain't here for the money.